welcome to Learn German for Beginners with Vardaan. In lesson 4 and 5, you have learned numbers till 100. In this lesson, we will be learning numbers above 100. Lektion 13, Zahlen Teil 3. Once again, Lektion 13, Zahlen Teil 3. That means lesson 13, numbers part 3. So here is the first number. 100 oder 100. Once again, 100 oder 100. That means 100 or 100. The counting in hundreds is so simple. The next one is 200. Once again, 200. That means 200. Similarly, 300. Once again, 300. That means 300. The next numbers are 400. Once again, 400. That means 400. 500. Once again, 500. That means 500. 600. Once again, 600. That means 600. 700. Once again, 700. That means 700. 800. Once again, 800. That means 800. 900. Once again, 900. That means 900. And here is the next one. 1000 oder 1000. Once again, 1000 oder 1000. That means 1000 or 1000. The number formation in thousands is same as number formation in hundreds. So let's learn the numbers in thousands. 2000. Once again, 2000. That means 2000. And similarly, 3000. Once again, 3000. That means 3000. 4000. Once again, 4000. That means 4000. And so on till you reach 10,000. Once again, 10,000. That means 10,000. In German, when a number becomes 5 digits, you use a thousand separator. Here you can see this as a point and not as a comma. 11,000. Once again, 11,000. That means 11,000. Similarly, you would say 12,000. Once again, 12,000. That means 12,000. 13,000. Once again, 13,000. That means 13,000. And so on. Now let's come to a bigger number. 100,000 oder 100,000. Once again, 100,000 oder 100,000. That means 100,000 or 100,000. Similarly, 200,000. Once again, 200,000. That means 200,000. One thing you have to remember is all these numbers in German are written as one word and there are no gaps between them. Now we have reached eine Million. Once again, eine Million. That means 1 million. The next one is 2 Millionen. Once again, 2 Millionen. That means 2 million. When it is more than 1 million, you add en to million to make it plural, that is Millionen. And this would continue as 3 Millionen. Once again, 3 Millionen. That means 3 million. 4 Millionen. Once again, 4 Millionen. That means 4 million. And it continues till you reach 100 Millionen oder 100 Millionen. Once again, 100 Millionen oder 100 Millionen. That means 100 million or 100 million. Here is the next one. Eine Milliarde. Once again, eine Milliarde. That means 1 billion. Don't miss the thousand separators here. 2 Milliarden. Once again, 2 Milliarden. That means 2 billion. So when there is more than eine Milliarde, you add a n to make it Milliarden. Now let's do some random numbers. Kombinationen. Once again, Kombinationen. That means combinations. Here is the first number. In this, we have 100, that means 100, and eins, that means 1. So you would read it as 101 oder 101. Once again, 101 oder 101. That means 101. Here is the next number. 100 plus 10. That becomes 110 oder 110. That means 110. Now the next number. 100 plus 11 becomes 111. Or you can say 111. Once again, 111 oder 111. That means 111. Let's move on to the next number. Here we have 100 plus 21. So you will say 121. Once again, 121. That means 121. Now let's take a random number. Here we take 300 plus 54. So we get 354. Once again, 354. That means 354. Let's take another example. Here we have the first number 400 and then 56. So that we have 456. Once again, 456. That means 456. Please note that all this is written as one word. Let's move on to a slightly bigger number. Here, 1000 plus 100 plus 1. So that it becomes 1101. Once again, 1101. That means 1101. Similarly, 1000 plus 100 plus 11. So you say 1111. Once again, 1111. That means 1111. Moving on to the next number. 3000 plus 100 plus 13. So you get 3113. Once again, 3113. That means 3113. Let's take one more example. We first take the thousands number, that is 4000. Then the hundreds number, 300. And then 21. So we say 4321. Once again, 4321. That means 4321. Let's take a bigger number. 13.000 plus 200 plus 45. So we get 13.245. Once again, 13.245. That means 13,245. Don't let these numbers scare you. If you look at what's written here, you will find this very simple to remember. You can use this technique with various numbers. Try doing this with some other numbers. So these were numbers in German above 100. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you still haven't. Cheers! Auf Wiedersehen!